I have the all new JBL Quantum 650 and 250 headset here, and today we are going to unbox them. I am so excited to see these models again because it has been a few months since Gamescom. I can't remember what they look and feel like. I also unboxed the Quantum 950 as well, so if you want to check that out, there is a link down below. Be sure to subscribe as well because I'm your go-to for JBL Quantum. Now, let's start with the 650. This is the new mid-range. There are three new models. So you've got the 250, the 650, and the 950. So this one here is a wireless headset. They all look similar, which I think is really nice for branding and for the range storytelling. But this one is slightly different to the 950. So let's get into it. I don't even have a knife. This is what happens when you move houses and you lose things. Let's have a look. Oh, I'm so excited. God, they already feel so light just from holding them like this. Oh, look at that. That transparent purple, translucent purple on the ear cups looks so beautiful. That right there is absolutely gorgeous. This is such a pretty color combo. These would just look good as like a normal everyday headset too. Headphones. I mean, they're bulky on my head because every pair of gaming headphones are bulky on my head. To me, these don't look like a typical gaming headset, and I think that's a really good thing because this feels more like a hybrid pair of headphones that you can use for everyday life, for listening to music, as well as gaming. Alright, so in this box here, there's a couple of accessories. So we do have the same braided charging cable as what we get in the Quantum 950 as well. There is our USB receiver. We have a white detachable microphone, and we have the battery as well. Now this is actually interesting to me because this means you can replace them, which is great if your headset over time breaks, and if it's like a power issue, you should be able to just buy a separate battery instead of having to buy a whole new headset. So I have seen these headphones. I saw them at Gamescom last year in Germany, but I haven't really mucked around with them and played with them myself. So this is actually like my first proper hands-on without a time limit. I'm really excited to get testing and to see how they perform in my gaming setup, especially the new microphones and with the software as well. They should sound a lot better than previous models. But let's get this on with the mic. Here is the white. Oh, that looks so good. Oh, I love it. God, they look so good. Both the black and the white look really cool, hey. This is the JBL Quantum 250 headset, and this is the wired version. So this is going to be the entry-level model, which I'm really excited to see because I think it looks incredible. It's still sticking with the same design language as the other two models. All right. Let's have a look at this gorgeous purple. Oh, look at that. For those of you who want a pop of color with your headsets, you cannot go wrong with purple. Purple is probably my favorite color, and this looks incredible. It's like a lavender. You've still got the transparent purple, same as what you have on the 650, but it looks a bit darker, of course, because it is on a darker background color, being the purple. Still has the same design, of course. You've got the adjustable headband. The difference is that these do not extend, but because you've got enough space in the band and you've got the headband here, they go on nicely and they stretch well. So it sits like this. Matching microphone, of course, in the purple, so let's get that in. And then here you have a standard 3.5mm headphone cable, and that's your headset. So let's get it on with the microphone. Oh, that purple looks so good, doesn't it?
The JBL Quantum 650 bridges the gap between high-quality sound and performance and affordability. Offering a wireless connection, it's lightweight, making it a comfortable gaming experience. Connecting via a dual 2.4 GHz low-latency dongle or Bluetooth 5.3 allows you to use this headset beyond your gaming setup, making it a great option for mobile and handheld gaming too. Disconnect the detachable boom microphone and you have a solid pair of headphones for daily use, but plug the mic back in and utilize its improvements and enhancements with AI in the JBL Quantum Engine software for clear comms when online gaming. With up to 45 hours of battery life, you're set for gaming marathons with no interruptions. But do you prefer to be tethered to a cable? The JBL Quantum 250 sports the same stunning design language, same 50mm drivers as the high models, but connects via a 3.5mm audio cable to your devices. I personally believe this is a great entry-level headset for all.
Now, if I had to pick what my favorite is, I couldn't. I don't think I could, honestly. This whole new range is absolutely gorgeous. I'm really excited that there is an option for everybody. If you had to pick a favorite out of the three, just purely by the design, what would you choose? I genuinely cannot do it. They're all so pretty, they're so comfy. But that has been a look at the new JBL Quantum 650 and JBL Quantum 250 headset. The 950 we unboxed in a different video. I will leave that linked below. As a JBL ambassador and someone who has been an ambassador in ANZ since the very start of JBL Quantum, God, it feels so cool to say that, hey, it's such a long time. I will have all the information that you need to know about these headsets. So if you do have questions, please write them in the comments below. I will have how-to guides, we'll do some reviews on them, I'll give you a little bit more info on how they work. So stay tuned for that. Be sure to subscribe because I look forward to talking more tech with you in the next video. Oh, I love you all so much.